Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's a big day today. We also have something new from Firefox. Firefox had a security update that I talked about just a few days ago. Well, now we have a new version of Firefox. Firefox 98 is upon us, and that is what we have today, March the 8th, 2022. So to update to the latest version, just go on Firefox. Should technically update by itself. If not, upper right corner in the hamburger menu, help and about Firefox, and it will bring you to 98.0 today. What's new? One feature that is changing is the download feature. So when you download files with Firefox, now you have several options to always open similar files. Showing the folder, of course, you can always review what folder you want to have it download to and so on. So there's automatic processes now that are available that will enable you when you download to actually have more automated process in the download of files. So if you want to have it automatic, it will be. You can, of course, change that if you don't want to. One word for people that are using Firefox: if you find that your search engine has changed, now it's not Firefox trying to pull something at you like Microsoft. It's simply that Firefox is mentioning that they actually do not have some authorizations for certain search engines. And because of that, they couldn't secure the formal permissions to continue, they kind of made the change to make sure they don't get in trouble. But you can go back into settings and reset it to what you want. It's just that they're not taking any chances. They fixed a few things, of course, with the Firefox version 98. That was buggy in there. And last but not least, security fixes. There's actually quite a few security vulnerabilities that have been fixed with high impact. So it's important to 5, 6, 7, 8 security fixes, including some memory bug fixes and several high impact security fixes in here. So if you don't care about the new features, at least for the security side of things, make sure that you update to Firefox 98 so that you stay safe. So it's a new version available now. Once again, upper right corner, hamburger menu, help, and about Firefox. You should be version 98. Today, March 8th, 2022. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.